All
Okay.
right.
Well,
Will you start?
I am mid already, but we should introduce ourselves for viewers. So, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this beautiful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And if I talk about my hobby, I always like playing cricket and football. Apart from also, I am running my one YouTube channel, whose name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction, ma'am. Yeah.
That's wonderful. So now it's my turn. So well, this is me, Rupa, and I am connecting to you from Bihar. And right now, I'm a student of the class 8, and in my future, I want to be a doctor in my life. Along with this, I have my own YouTube channel. I have been running my YouTube channel for 4 months ago. Yeah, this is something about myself. Hope it was enough.
Yes, yes, it's a nice introduction also. And ma'am, right now also you are learning English, but when did you start your English speaking journey?
I have been learning this English language for 6 months ago.
6 months ago. But you are studying in class 9 standard, yeah?
No, I'm a student of the class 8, not ninth.
Yes, yes, 8. But right now also you are studying in class 8 standard. You are also speaking very well. And earlier, did you join any coaching center? Did you join any institute for your speaking English?
No, I haven't joined any coaching class for the English because I believed that to learn this English we should not spend a lot of money because we have technology, so we should try to take the advantages of the technology. Take example of Skype app. So to learn English through this application you have to not pay money, only you have to pay attention and you have to do hard work with consistency, then definitely you will gonna become fluent in English. So that is why I don't think so we should invest a lot of money to learn this language because technology has made our life easy in the ground of anything, in the terms of anything. It could be education as well, learning new thing as well. Like if you want to learn how to make anything, go to the YouTube search and you will get, and you have to buy like ingredient for that and you can make. So technology plays more significant role in our human being life, and it has made our life so easy as compared to earlier.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, do you study in English medium school?
Yeah, I go to English medium school.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, how many members do you have in your family?
There are 5 members in my family. My parent, and I have one brother and one sister. Both are younger to me. I'm eldest one. My brother he reads in class 6, and my sister she reads in class 2.
Yes, yes. And is there any member in your family who is speaking English at your home?
No, in my family member, no one can speak in English. This is the man, and you can say this is the massive catch 22 that I have been facing for long period of time. But you know, my brother and me, my sister, they can speak in English because they go to English medium school, and like they have to do like most of the work in English. So they can speak, but they don't try. They have not curiosity. They are not enthusiasm to learn this. So that is why. But they speak, but they do so many mistakes. If you see their English according to the grammar, so they do mistakes.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, you are where do you live in Bihar? Village area or town area?
I am from village area.
Yes, yes. You are from village area, and in village area, I belong to village area. I realize that in village area there is no good environment for speaking English. No one speaking English in our locality, and no one speaking English at our home. Yeah, and the same condition you are also facing. But what kind of problem did you face for your improving your English skill?
Yeah, like I know that I am living in village area, and in order to learn English as a villager, it is quite difficult. But you know, when I was beginner, means when I could not speak in English, so I did not send a message to anyone that I am learning this English language. And when I started learning, when I started speaking, so gradually people started aware about this. And like so many people used to humiliate me, but so many people used to appreciate on me. You know, on 26th January, I was doing anchoring in my school. So many parents were there. They listened me, and you know, like I was going to a school after the study one day. So one man, he came to me and he asked me that how did you learn English. So at the time I became so delight, and I became so mad. Yeah, like people are awareing, they are becoming aware, and they want to also provide good education to their children. He was asking this question to me for his child. He has one child, and he wanted to let him speak in English. So that is why he was asking that which kind of activities I am doing in terms of learning this language. So like you know, it's nothing like this. Like there are so many people in village, they are educated, so they are becoming aware gradually, and they can't speak in English. It's nothing like this. They can speak, but they are doing this all activity for their children. So many women, they are learning this English for their children. So many parents, they are learning this English for their children, so that they can provide them one good, better life, good future that they could not get in their life.
Yes, yes, you are right also. And I observed that, I realized that in our locality, in our society, right now also there are many English medium school are available, and most of the guardian, most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school. Yeah, but and in your school, do you speak in English always?
No, in my school I don't speak in English language. I have not the environment of English. Yeah, I go to English medium school, but there is no any environment for the English, and that is why I am joining this type of application so that I can enhance my English. Because apart from this application and apart from another one application, I have no any environment where I can speak. So if I not speak in English, so I will gradually lose my confidence, my fluency. So it is very very important, and I am so enthusiastic, and I have impulses to speak good commendable English, and I want to execute the people, and I want to make my conversation glamorous. So in order to do this type of thing, it is very very important to have a good knowledge about it, and to speak better so that I can do it.
Yes, yes. And when you also study in English medium school, when always in the classroom, your teacher also teach you, and while teaching, and that your teacher also teach speak in English.
While teaching, they don't use English language. Means like suppose that he is teaching me English, so he will let us understand that thing that has written in the book in the Hindi, not in English.
Yes, yes. And my next question is, I know also to speak to learn any language, always you have to follow four rules: LS, RW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things are very important for speaking English. But what do you think? What is the most important part for speaking English?
So according to me, we should focus on listening and speaking. Because when I was beginner, so I used to focus on listening and on speaking. Because like our mind captures anything and understand anything quickly by listening and by practice. So like I will suggest people that you should listen as much as you can, and you should practice. Then after that you should increase your level, such as practicing on vocabulary, and like doing any other activity to make ourselves advance in English.
Yes, yes. You also told me practice is the most important. Yeah, and I know also properly, without practicing we cannot success in our life in any subject. But my next question is, how much time do you practice every single day for your improving your English skill?
If I talk about like speaking, so I spend 30 minutes every day, every single day on speaking, and like 10 to 20 minutes on listening, and 5 to 10 minutes on vocabulary, and 30 minutes on reading books.
Yes, yes. And for increasing your vocabulary skill, what kind of method did you follow?
I go to English medium school, so I read always a lot of books such as science, SST, English. So during that I get so many words. So the word that is very important according to me, and I think, yeah, I can use this word in my conversation, and I can increase the beauty of my conversation. So at that time,
And ma'am, do you read English newspaper?
no, I don't read any English newspapers because I am not that much time, and I have plethora academy books, so I don't get time to read newspaper. And to be honest, I am not interested in reading newspaper, so that is why I haven't tried.
Yes, yes. And in your locality, do you have any partner? Do you have any partner? Do you have any friend who is willing to learn English?
No. In my society, I have no any fellows ally whom I could do practice to talk. And I have friends, but they are not interested to learn this language.
Yes, yes. And
So
you are
it was a really nice conversation with you because I'm going to do work, and miss like my exam is around the corner, so I have to focus on my exam as well. So thank you so much for sharing your precious time, and the question that you have asked to me, it was really nice and wonderful.
all right, ma'am. Thank you for giving your valuable time. It is nice conversation also. You are speaking very well. First of all, thank you for giving your valuable time. Yeah. All right. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Yes, same to you.